What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're back in Job Simulator. You are gonna be gone. Bye. Oh, bye.
Hello, human. You worked the 9 to 5.
Hello, human.
Wait, it doesn't come in the door. Okay.
Hello, human. You worked the 9 to 5. But are you ready for infinite overtime?
What's your name? Tipbot? I'm gonna call you Tweak. What did I just do? I'm gonna call you Tweakbot because you're a little on the tweaky side. But yes, guys, my broken leg. Ah, lovely. Ooh. Okay, guys, between the low gravity and the dollhouse mode, I'm gonna pop it up right there. Low gravity and dollhouse mode, which one do you want to see next episode? No, wait. I'm saying the wrong thing. Low gravity, no. I meant office worker and store clerk. Sorry. Office worker and store clerk, which one would you want to see next episode? It's going to be popped up. Hello? Okay. 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 Get out of here, then. Guess we're not gonna use that. They're back. I'll see you on the other side. Ooh. What happened? Oh, that was quick.
Hello, human, and welcome to the exciting world of
Overtime.
When you're ready to start the first order, go ahead and pull the ticket.
Oh, you can hear the bouncing noise. That's cool.
Wow, lots of bots are...
Oh, hi!
I'm taking a break from work. Get me something to munch so I can get back to the crunch. I'd like...
Soup.
For my meal.
You want soup? I don't like the quiet of this episode. Okay, we just have to job tonight. Oh, there's a second one. Eurodance agreement. This is Eurodance. Totally disco. You good? You good at Eurodance? We're gonna do some Eurodance, dude. I have some background music playing here. That'll keep me up. Your hat won't, though. What? Soup? I remember how to make soup. Oh, there's stuff that... Okay, I'll read that in a minute. Can I make soup out of a disc? I'm making soup out of a disc. Have some nice background music here. Okay, this is gonna really make me struggle. And this. That's gonna make a good soup. Robots love it. Okay, search is off. Dance music, plastic cup, and fire extinguisher.
I didn't see oil on your menu, so I guess I'll have...
Cup of dish soap.
Cup of dish soap. We have oil. We have vegetable oil, I think, don't we? You have oil up your butthole. Just open your butthole. You can make oil. Okay. First task in infinite overtime. Done. Thought I heard something. First task in infinite overtime.
This
Done.
dish is going to be great for... trash.
Excuse me? Where'd my other disc go? Oh, I needed that other music.
My batteries need to be recharged and grub is what they need. I could use meatball in my meal.
You need meatball? Okay, I'll turn this on. Meatball, I think, is in here. Yep, here we go. Meatballs.
I'd like
Cup of liquid.
to drink.
Cup of liquid, okay. I think, does this count as liquid? Yes, it does. Bro, bots always want this. This is their special. Fire extinguisher. Bye!
You are in compliance with all food safety standards.
Yes, I am.
I need a little something to tide me over. My doctor recommended soup at least once a day.
To drink soup once a day? Oh, we got a line going down the street. Got a line going down the street. What do you need? Oh, do I need this? I actually can make a good soup, okay? That's not gonna have anything disgusting in it. So we need water. Nothing disgusting. Okay, so we got potatoes and open! Potatoes and corn. Okay. Flour. Not bad. Not bad for robots. Okay, we need a little bit of hot sauce. Spice it up a little bit. There we go. Okay, carrots. This. Get a little bit of milk. That out of here. Mushrooms, tomatoes, half a tomato. There we go. What is happening here? Oh, I can skip? Okay, I could skip if I don't want any. If I don't want to do that job, I could skip it. Nice. Corn, potato, and flour. Lovely.
I had a dream this morning that smoothie would be the next thing I'll need.
Ugh. I can make smoothies, peoples. Apple, orange. I need a cup. I need an orange. I need a cup. I need a disc. Gonna be a little quiet now. It's fine. There we go. Oh, that didn't count. Okay. Gotta do it again. Next episode of VR, we might do some Beat Saber.
I normally don't order dessert, but tonight I really
want a
want
cake.
Cake with topping.
What a cake. Oh, there's cake. Okay, so you want a cake, egg, flour, and whatever else I want on there. Are you allergic to anything? I could put that in there. Okay, let's see. Egg. Okay, I saw the flour, and let's get a pomegranate. Is this pomegranate? That's a pomegranate. Okay, let's get a pomegranate. Here we go. What is this gonna turn out to be? No. I don't know. Looks disgusting, might not be disgusting. You should go try it. Go away, Belle.
My dumpster bot's gonna love this.
That's to go dumpster. Excuse me.
Splitting the bill.
Is a social construct that allows the formation of friendships over nutritional intake.
Well, this is a weird view of my area. Whoa, this is a super weird view. So this is what the robots see? This is a weird area, or weird, like, way to look at it. Wonder how you see it.
Human, I would like to place an order. I'd like
Cup of liquid.
to drink.
Why does everyone just want cup of liquid? Okay, we need to go here. How do I pull the cork? You know, I could feed it to the fish, but I like throwing it at your face. Actually, you know what? Let's try feeding the fish.
I'm going to treat myself tonight. Give me
Pomegranate.
Okay. What? You want pomegranate? Here you go. Booyah! Go away, Belle.
Thank you, human. You really are as good as they say.
Yes, I am. And it won't go to your dumpster. Hello.
This place had great online reviews, and you're open late.
My liquid cooling is out of whack, human. Serve me a cup of grape juice.
Cup of grape juice? Excuse me? Cup of grape... Okay. Cup of grape juice. You can have the whole bottle if you want. I'll just give it to you for free. This is the good thing about low gravity. You just pour it while it's floating. Here, you can have the whole bottle. There you go. There you go.
Cookie is the only way I want to finish my meal.
You want a cookie? You want a cookie? Bruh, cookie's the only way I can finish my meal, too. So true. Close this. What? Go away, Bell. Bye.
I'm sure this food will be adequate.
Did you just fart? What was that? Oh, I got promoted!
You've been promoted. More responsibility without the hassle of a salary increase.
As human assistant to the intern. Yeah, don't know. Maybe I should go show this to Jabba and brag in his face. Put it there. No, I want to put this somewhere. Okay. Up here. There we go. What? I need to make a smoothie for this person, probably.
I'm so
want a
glad
smoothie?
you're still open. You know I love a good
App.
Can I start with?
Crumpet.
Crumpet toaster. Crumpets are in here. We're gonna get the pin tasks. You only want one, ma'am? Wait, cook. Come on. Whoa! Look! I just almost had a ceiling crumpet. Ugh.
I heard your
Steak.
is very filling. Give me one of those.
Oh, and you want a steak smoothie, man? I'm gonna make you a steak smoothie.
Could I get some
Smoothie.
for my liquid cooling system?
I knew it! I knew it! Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that.
I'm going to eat this immediately and get back in line.
Good! I get paid more.
I haven't seen a single customer pay us yet. They all just take the food and leave.
Hey, that is true. Can I be blended? I want to become... How does this work? Oh, where's the little turny thing? Alright, we're gonna go to the sink. You know what? I think it's gonna wrap it up for this episode today. I love you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys! Actually, you know what? Let's go say hi to Jobbot. Let's go say hi to Jobbot. I want this.
Hello, human. Grab a cartridge from the tray and let's get to work.
So I figured this out between episodes.
Thank you, human. May I have another?
That's creepy. Have this. Okay, we'll pick between the office worker and the store clerk for the next episode, and we might do Dollhouse Mode next episode. But I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.